yam, yam.
Rabbit, rabbit. Basket,
Picnic. Rabbit. Salt.
Let's eat chicken tonight. Eat chicken tonight.
Hurry, she's not taking a photo yet. She, not, yet. Taking. Photo, yet.
Take.
It's already 5:45. We need to leave the park. Hinata, please put the food in the basket and let's go home.
It's 2:45 a.m. I need to go home.
It's 3 p.m. I'm not drinking beer yet. It's 3 p.m. I'm not drinking beer yet. Yet.
This is boring. I'm leaving.
I'm not taking a photo yet. Come here.
Not.
I'm not taking a photo yet. Come here.
Taking a photo yet. Come here.